Hello guys, welcome to Solution Rider. We are back again, and this time I'm going to show you how to create word list using Crunch and Kali Linux. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Now, this is for educational purposes only, so I hope that no misuse is being done through this video. So, Crunch is a word list generator where you can specify a standard character set or a character set you specify. Crunch can generate all possible combinations and permutations. For example, let us take some commands. Crunch, min, max, character set, p, pattern, o, output file name. Now here, min stands for the minimum password length. Similarly, max stands for the maximum password length. Character set is the character set to be used in generating the passwords. Now let me show you how to do this. Open terminal. Write the command crunch space 5 space 5 Crunch will now generate the following amount of data: 6291456 bytes, and that's a lot. Now go to home, open the document that you have just created. Now the example that I've taken, that is crunch 55012345678 ABCDEF. This is going to generate 5-digit word list using the given character set combination. Now, you can use this txt file as a word list. So now let me here give you the link. For more helpful detail about the crunch, you can go to www.solutionrider.in and please check out here. This is a very good site and you will probably find some data which is going to help you regarding crunch and other videos as well as. And you can view manual of crunch and Kali Linux as well. So that was my Solution Rider website. I hope you liked it. For detailed information, please do go to solutionrider.in. Thanks for watching.